Hey YouTubers, I know I haven't done a video in a long time. Well, I'm just gonna show you the little upgrades that I have done so far. And the first thing first, that I brought this clutch, the Horchman Grease Lightning Clutch Racing, two disc, 35 chain. I think it's 14, 13 teeth. And I also made right here in the tension bracket from the original, I made my own one to tension my chain. I upgraded the headers on it and put heavy duty headers here. And as you see, I mounted the motor on. I still haven't welded because I'm still doing some modifications on it. I went on eBay and I bought some regular BMX pegs and mounted it right straight with the original bolts and just mounted there. I can put my feet back there, like drag racing. I reinstalled my brake and bought a new brake cable. The other one's too short. Since I stretched out the frame, I had to buy a longer brake cable. I also bought an air filter, chrome, silver color. I connected the gas throttle. And that's about it. I'll keep you updated whenever I have a chance. And there you go. I also still got to connect the gasoline tank still. Alright, thanks for watching.